Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch me make this hit. Thanks. So, gotta get all professional. Um, welcome back, guys. How you guys doing today? Yeah, welcome back to Nana Lovely's channel. Yeah, I mean, welcome back to Nana Love's channel. As I said before, I'm grateful for all my subscribers. Okay, and thanks for clicking on this video, cause you are awesome. Yeah. All right. So make sure you give it a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Give me a subscribe. Alright. Click that red button. Give me 200 subscribers. So, I'm gonna try to be normal. Say no. But today's video, I'm gonna just talk about like the oils that I use in my hair. I'm gonna talk about the oils I use in my hair. It's a huge secret. But not tell nobody. But I'm gonna tell you guys about it. Because it might help you one day. Yeah. So let's get into the video. So the first oil that I started using, I don't have it with me. I gotta get some more, but I would use coconut oil. I stopped using it because I didn't feel like it was like really, I don't know, I didn't like it for my hair. You know, coconut oil is good for the scalp because it's, you know, it's lighter on your scalp. I don't know, for me, I need a lighter oil for my scalp because my scalp just be like, the buildup is real on my scalp after like a week. So, you know, I gotta have a light oil if I'm gonna oil my scalp. Sorry about the noise in the background. This is random, but shout out to her because she lit. Okay, go subscribe. Cut. Okay, yeah, coconut oil. So, coconut oil I will use for my scalp every now and then. I don't really oil my scalp much because my scalp build up too fast. I get build up on my scalp really fast. But coconut oil is good for that because it's lighter. And coconut oil is good for defining your curls when you want like that defined curl look in your hair. I did notice that curls to just coconut oil. Pop. Okay. So yeah, but I stopped using it because I just found other oils that work better, I guess. But I mean, I'll still use it. Whatever. And the next one is olive oil. Now, olive oil, that one is good for the winter time for sure. It's thick like castor oil, but I like olive oil. You can cook with it, you can eat it, and you can use it for your hair. It has multi-purpose. It's multi-purpose oil. Yeah, I mean you can put coconut oil too, but olive oil is really good because it's a heavier oil, especially for like tighter curl patterns. You know, tighter curl patterns like myself. It don't look like it because my hair is stretched, but it's reverting back. You see this? It's reverting. But yeah, for tighter coils that don't get a lot of moisture, olive oil is the way to go, especially if you want your hair to stay moisturized for like a full week. It can even last maybe 2 weeks. But yeah, olive oil I would say is probably good for like 4A, 4B, 4C hair, because that hair is like the kinkiest. And I'm sure there's kinkier textures. I don't know what texture I am, but I don't really go by texture. I just go by what my hair feels. Period. .com. Blank. Okay? And the next oil I use, I actually have this one. The other ones I'll insert a picture. It's Jamaican black castor oil. This is peppermint. I haven't tried the peppermint. This is not sponsored. I haven't tried the peppermint one before, but I did try a different brand. But it was still Jamaican castor oil. Jamaican castor oil is good oil, okay? It's good. Especially for the ends of your hair, you know. Castor oil is really heavy, so it coats your ends, so your ends can be moisturized and not making gang signs, okay? Like that. So you don't be like, but yeah. Because I know the ends of my hair, they're not horrible, but I see some splits and some knots. They're gonna get cut. But anyway, yeah. So Jamaican black castor oil is good. I put that in my mixture sometimes. I just kind of use whatever works. Whatever I have. Whatever works for my hair. I just use it. I don't really have a specific oil that I use the most. I would say the oil I use the most is the Jamaican castor oil, or like, yeah, that's the one I use the most of. But I've noticed the oils that work best for my hair are olive oil or castor oil. The heavier oils normally work the best for me, so yeah. I did have it before I ran out. The other one I use is jojoba oil. You can't really see it, but you guys have seen this in my latest videos. But jojoba oil, jojoba. It's very light oil, so it's good for like your scalp. You know, if you want to oil your scalp, it's good for your skin. You know, it's really light, so it'll absorb into your skin, especially during the summer when you don't want to use like shea. Like for me, I use shea butter normally, but this oil is lighter, so it soaks into my skin a lot better, and it soaks into my hair a lot more, and it does keep my hair moisturized, although it's a light oil. But it's okay, because it's still good. Here am I. Then lastly, but not lastly, is this one. Pattern, the one I showed you before in my previous videos, this is by Diana Ross's daughter, I think. Yeah, can't think of her name right now. But yeah, she made that oil. It's alright, I guess. I ain't really tried it by itself, but I just used that because I ain't had enough to use. So I was like, whatever. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a like, a comment. My lips is dry. Give it a like, comment, and click that button. Click that subscribe button. I'm waiting on you. Thanks. Guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching my video. Once again, I appreciate all my subbies. Bye bye.